Topeka has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Shawnee County, northeastern Waubonsee County, Potawatomi County in northeastern Kansas, southwestern Jackson County in northeastern Kansas, until 12:45 a.m. At 12:10 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 3 miles south of Lillis to 3 miles south of Westmoreland, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wamego, Rossville, Westmoreland, Blaine, St. Mary's, Onega, St. George, Maple Hill, Bellevue, Emmett, Louisville, Delia, Wheaton, and Willard. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Here are the midnight conditions for the local area.